Okay, so in this video, I just want to talk about some ways that maintenance men and teams can prep depending on how things progress. So these are things that we may want to visit with our maintenance teams, create some tutorials. Video is a really good tool to use where we can help reduce the maintenance requests that we're getting, especially if we're no longer doing requests outside of emergency requests, right? So a few that I think would be really helpful, just a list of things not to put down the garbage disposal. What are ways that you can reset the garbage disposal? I know many have a button that you can just reset it. Tips to keep your apartment in tip-top shapes. Practical steps not to clog a toilet. I know right now with our toilet paper shortage, that hopefully won't be a huge problem. Also, what to do if a toilet does clog. I was in one of the groups, the apartment management and maintenance support group, and one of the maintenance men commented on a question I asked, and he said that just by providing at move-in every resident with a plunger, they have reduced the number of requests for unclogging a toilet. They also are charging a fee if they come and it's something that could have been fixed with a plunger. So anyway, everybody's trying different things. Videos on how to change the various light bulbs in your community, in your apartment. How to change the batteries in your smoke detector or your thermostat, how to check the breaker box, how to turn off the water if that's an option at your apartment community, how to reset a GFCI, reminders that some outlets are tied to switches so you don't have to go out there just to turn on a switch, and then hot water issues, how you can check to see if maybe it's been set to low or vacation mode. These were the tips that were provided for me in the support group, the apartment management and maintenance support group. But I thought, how great would it be if right now we make some videos answering those questions? We can save a folder with these type of responses, and then as a team we can field some of those requests so we can mitigate the damage that may happen to our community if we start lowering the maintenance requests that we're going to be doing. So just some ideas there for our maintenance teams. That's something that we can proactively do now.